What's up, guys? Here at Outback ATV, we got the Sunflower out here. We're gonna do a sick burnout over there on that truck. We can't show you just yet. We got the rock in the 4-cylinder, 2.2. It's
big lad.
It's wicked. It's the Sunflower. Company car. So yeah. Don't need to see
Company
that.
car, all right.
Yeah. We'll see if she starts.
I'd say no.
We need the booster cables, bud.
Ah, the boosters.
Yeah, let's go grab the boosters.
Getting gas in the old Sunfire, or flower, whatever you want to call it, and took everything, every last drop.
Will she run after this?
No power. Nothing. 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 If it was C's, the lights would still come on. Well, it turns out the battery's fried, so we're gonna go see if we can find another one that'll fit. Finally! We got the old Pontiac running. And you best believe she's open headers.
Well, not open header, she's straight pipe.
All right, we're gonna get this stuff ready to put on the trailer, or truck, whatever the hell it is.
Let's see if she bounces off that limiter like she normally does.
All right, let's.
Better than ever.
Oh yeah. I think we blew a rat hose. Oh, my eyes, there's rubber in my eyes.
Oh. How's the tire?
Did she die on you?
Oh no, I shut her off.
Well, they're getting pushed, right?
I got rubber in my eye. That
She's
hurt.
not even heating up. We're good. Round 2.
Oh, there's so much smoke.
Get up here.
I can't. I'll keep it first. Zoom in as a test it here.
What time we got left on that one?
Yeah, don't run behind it when it's doing that. That hurt.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is what I dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is what I dream.
Just switched the tires. Got the rears on the front. It's gonna be a better burnout. Look at the tread on these things. If you can see. No, it won't work. Well, anyways, it's got a lot more tread than this. should be a lot better. A lot better.
It just killed itself. Got it into third gear. And we were really moving. Well, I think we burned off the tread.
Just a bit. The build up behind the tire. Oh god, right in my face.
Holy.
Yeah, these tires.
Okay, so we're driving on slicks right now, and we're about to do a supernova. I don't know how well this is gonna do because the field's wet.
The water's coming in!
The tires aren't working at all. Or why aren't my window wipers off?
We're gonna attempt a supernova.
I don't know how well it's gonna work.
I'm gonna brace myself for this.
Well, it did. Okay, guys.
That was very interesting. That lasted quite a while. There's a lot of rubber on the deck of the tow truck.
And well, we discovered that doing a burnout in a sunfire on a flatbed is probably the best pair of shoes.
This thing held up to everything.
Yeah.
Look at these tires though. These things are just balder than, well, bald.
I'm actually thinking about taking it to the racetrack with these tires, calling it slicks, you know?
Get some, call them race slicks.
No grip.
No grip.
I'm actually amazed on how fast it gets going with no grip.
Yeah, I know. That was very impressive. Well, with that, that's gonna be the end of this video. You know, you gotta subscribe. If you don't, well then you don't, but subscribe.